Hey guys, and welcome back to a new Red Panda Bear Invest YouTube channel. We are gonna look at two stocks today that looks really good, even though the overall market is pretty shaky. We found two stocks that worth buying, at least I think so. And we're gonna start with the Golden Ocean Group. It's a Norwegian company, a dry bulk shipping company. And we're going to start looking at the technicals first, and then we're going to see the fundamental analysis also. And these two work together fine to get a good stock pick. And I love when fundamental and technical analysis can work together. So in the short term, you see we have a good uptrending channel here. And yesterday we closed over the 200-day moving average. We closed over the all the gliding averages. At least I'm tracking the 10 and 20 day exponential moving average. And this is really cool. I've put a anchored VWAP from the May top of the market, and you can see it acted as resistance multiple times before. We're over that as well, and also we're over the 100 kroner mark that has also acted as resistance in the past. So everything's lining up to look really good. So I'm excited to see how this goes. We can take a look at the fundamental picture, and that also looks pretty good. I've highlighted the metrics I think is worth looking on when you decide which stocks to buy. So the PE ratio is 4.25%. That's really good. You have the enterprise value to EBITDA, that is 5.77. That's really good. Price book is just 1. That means if you sell the company today, you're break even at this price. Price to cash flow, that's a good 3.88. And of course, you have a really good dividend yield. So yeah, that is Golden Ocean Group. It's also natural to look at the dry bulk chart to see the Baltic Dry Index. And if we can change this to a line graph, maybe we have seen the bottom. It was up 7.6% today. China is opening up again, and yeah, this looks pretty good as well. Maybe we're in for a bounce. And over to our second stock pick, guys. But first, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find the content interesting. That would help a lot. Yeah, our next stock pick, that's a KVH Industries. And as you can see, the graph pretty much speaks for itself. We're in a nice uptrend here. I've highlighted the marks when it has touched the trend line. We did that last week. We are over the 200-day moving average, and that's rising. That's a really good sign. We're close to yesterday and today over the 50-day moving average and the exponential 10 and 20-day moving average as well. I just took up the MACD, and as you can see, every time we touch the trend line here, and MACD has been in green, we were in for a bounce. It happened here, and looks like it's gonna happen again, to be honest. So earnings coming in next Friday. We have to be careful for that. I don't like to hold stocks when earnings come. I can tell you more about that later. But yeah, that's the two stocks for today, and hope you guys enjoy the video and have a good night.